Imagine strong, effective products made up of nothing but salt, water, and an electrical charge. Through the process of electrolysis, or ECA, electrical chemical activation, the salt water is transformed into Anolyte water, a disinfectant when used in appropriate concentrations. The active ingredient in the resulting solution is hypochlorous acid, a naturally occurring acid also found in the human body's response to fighting infections. The hypochlorous acid can serve much the same purpose outside the human body as the naturally occurring acid does inside the human body. Inside the body, it helps destroy pathogens through a process called phagocytosis. Essentially, the cell membrane bursts and destroys the DNA. It is no longer able to mutate or multiply. Outside the human body, the hypochlorous acid destroys the cell membranes of certain bacterial and viral cells, preventing these cells from doing further damage. The technology behind Anolyte water is not new. It begins with an English scientist in 1834. His work on electrolysis opened the door for the creation of the naturally occurring biocide hypochlorous acid through an electrochemical reaction. During World War I, the men whose wounds were treated with a hypochlorous acid wash were less likely to develop sepsis and saved countless lives. In the past 50 years is when we have prominently used this technology. Today, our science with medical research and development has allowed for stabilization and continues to prove the effectiveness of Anolyte water. With our proprietary equipment, we have maintained a solution with an average of 6.5 pH neutral, in which also makes it a non-corrosive solution, 100% biodegradable, 100 times more effective than bleach, and is non-toxic to humans or animals. We welcome you to join us. Enjoy the benefits now, and show your customers and employees how much you care about their experience, health, and wellness.